Okay, today I'm gonna bring you this Series 6 charger, mobile brand charger, Anker. Okay, it comes with the charging cord, USB-C. Here it is, very slim. There's a charging, there's a light that tells you if it comes charged. You see how much charge? It only has one light, so that means it's not fully charged. And the pop socket. And you see here, it has a magnetic for iPhones 12 through 14. Well, from 12 and up. So we have an iPhone 12 here, and we do have the magnetic safe case. You see it here. So let's go ahead and put it. Let's see. Easy to put on. So here we have our battery pack. Connects, and you heard that charging. You don't even have to turn it on yourself. It recognizes that your phone is on it. This helps the Funko Pop, holds it up. There you have it. See, I can hold it with my hand. You see the light right there? Perfect. Lock. I hold on to it. It's good. And I hope you guys like it.